To the graduating class 2020, I'm glad that we made this far and made it to this point. I know that these are normal circumstances, but I think it's still nice to have some sort of graduation for the IMS North class 2020. Thinking back to about a month ago, when Ms. Ryan shared the possibility of some sort of graduation with me and requested that I write a speech, I honestly wasn't sure about what I would talk about. I've always had this vague idea of some sort of a thank you speech, but I also wanted to say a few words of motivation or aspirations to my colleagues and everyone listening. And that's what I'm going to do today. One thing I've learned in life is the importance of being thankful and aware that you didn't arrive at any destination by yourself. And I'm glad to have been able to grasp the concept at such a young age. When I think about all that I've experienced up to this point, I know that I was not alone for any part of it, and I like to show my appreciation. First and foremost, I like to thank God for everything. Since I was little up until now, for my worst and my best moments, for everything that has come together to make me who I am today. There's a saying that goes, if there's life, then there's still hope. And God is my life and my hope. I like to appreciate my family, my father, who walked in sweat so that I could run and shine. The Bible says that children are like arrows in the hands of a warrior, and my father is my warrior because he fights for me every single day. I'd like to thank my mother, who isn't just my mother, but also a friend who listens to my obsessions, my frustrations, and is always there to have a conversation with me. And those moments with her make things a lot better. My grandmother, who isn't here today, but I'd like to thank her for the first 13 years of my life, for instilling values and morals in me that people see in me and they wonder, and I thank her for that. I'd like to thank Mr. and Mrs. Pico for all the genuine care that they showed me. Their love is so real and pure that sometimes even I doubt it, but I know it's real, and I appreciate them for that. Mr. Topchu, for always willing to lend a hand to me, so many times that even I feel bad for asking sometimes, but I appreciate it, and thank you. Mrs. Reinhardt, for choosing not to just be a teacher, but to also involve herself in other areas of our life, and I thank her for that. Mr. Brown, for his genuine advice and real care. I appreciate you, Mr. Brown. Mrs. Owolabi, who wasn't here today, but she was like a mother to me. May her soul rest in peace. All my friends, teachers, lunch ladies, and anyone and everybody that I've had the opportunity to meet during my time in IMS North, I thank you. See, without these people aforementioned, I honestly can't imagine where I'll be today. I've learned that relationships that work can only benefit an individual, and those that don't make us smarter and stronger. Everyone of us graduating today have come a long way, and none of us can deny the fact that the relationships we made along the way have made our difficult times more bearable, and the enjoyable ones even better. So now I want to urge every single one of my colleagues to go into the world and make more meaningful relationships, to make connections that will enable us to greater heights of happiness, freedom, aspiration, and development. But also remember to never make a relationship that causes you to lose yourself and break. With these words, I bid everyone a happy and fulfilled life. Thank you.